here at TX2K 19. I just got to the semifinals with my AMS Omega 12 powered Nissan GTR. This is my daily driver. It actually came off the dyno with snow tires. I put on some drag radials and ran it in the event. Wasn't really expecting to go anywhere with it. I was running a 58mm turbo class. Definitely outgunned by the higher horsepower cars since this is a 54mm setup. But we wanted to get some real-world data in racing for the AMS water injection system. I've got the system running in the car right now. Still doing some development. Right now the car made 1,100 on the dyno, but I pulled it back a little bit for this race, so it's still got some power on tap. The car ran a best of 8.64 at 162 miles an hour. Extremely pleased with how it's running. It is just as fast on pump gas and water as it is on ethanol, which is really the point of the system. And yeah, I really didn't think I'll make it to the semifinals, so I'm really happy.